Okay, so I couldn't wait. I just got my aligners in the mail today. Oops, light. No, that's not better. Uh, yeah, there we go. And I just wanted to do like maybe a mini unboxing type of thing, show you what's in it. So, so here is my purple box, and it did come in a bigger box. That box right there, and here it says "Open for a lifetime supply of confidence" from Smile Direct Club. And when you open it up, that's all the social medias. And here, this fresh batch of smiles was made just for you by, I don't know. And then I got the little card, and I am on a 7-month plan. Yeah. So at the top, you have this top thing that's wrapped up in some kind of paper. You have your little guide. Underneath here is another little lip gloss or lip balm, I should say. And then over here you have your Small Direct little aligners case. You have your Bright On whitening pens, and here I have the Chewies and a little Aldi tool to help you take your aligners out. And then underneath all of these things, the good part, the best part, the aligners, all the aligners, and when you there's another little tray underneath there, as well as another little tray underneath here, and over here it's just one little tray. This one's empty. Of course, you can see it. And this is just a little reminder about getting your retainers. So, as for me, I'm going to be on the 1-1-2 plan. So, the first set of aligners I wear for 1 week. The second pair of aligners I wear for another week. And then the third pair of aligners I wear for 2 weeks. So, it'll be month 3 and 4. And that's how I do every single month. So, I have, I guess, 3 little packages in each little slot here, all for 7 whole months. I'm extra excited, and I'll videotape my journey a little bit, so hopefully you'll stay tuned. Yay!